Socializing 25. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4102, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised how to obtain the love of people. A Muslim can obtain the love of people by avoiding and desiring their worldly possessions. In reality, a person only behaves negatively towards others when they feel others actively desire their possessions, or when others actively compete for the worldly things they themselves desire. Meaning, the fear of losing what one possesses and losing out on the things which they desire through competition with others, can lead to negative feelings towards others. If a Muslim instead occupies themselves with acting on the first part of this narration, it will prevent them from competing for the excess worldly things others desire, as the vast majority of these desires are for unnecessary worldly things. And if a Muslim keeps their harm away from the self and possessions of others, which according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998, is the sign of a true believer, then they will gain the love of people also.